Welcome. Thank you for taking our time to watch this video. Have you ever found out that like pain and suffering, joy is also transitory. It stays for a very less time. Would you like to know about the 10 ways of how we can make the happiness stay a little longer? Without wasting time, I'll quickly jump into the first 5 and the other 5 will be in the part 2 series which I'll be recording soon. My name is Monica Kaushik. I'm a self-awareness coach and I also work into peak performance of individuals and corporates. Right. So the first point is, let us start, leading a more calmer life. Let us stop worrying about the future. When we keep worrying, it leads to anxiety, and a constant anxiety leads to depression. That is the one reason why so many people nowadays are suffering from depression, because they keep worrying about their future. The second point is, stop living in the past. The thoughts of what if, could be, could have, should have, these kind of thoughts cause you one emotion which is very paralyzing, and that emotion is regret. So friends, in order to avoid regret, you have to stop living in the past. First is stop worrying about your future. The second is stop worrying about your past. Live in the present now. The third point is a need to please others. All the time, if we are saying things, if we are doing things just to please others, that means we are coming from a I am not okay position. We just feel that the other people out there are okay and we are not okay. There is an insecurity within. The fourth point is need to be right. Some of us have this very deep need within us. Again, it comes from an insecurity. We just need to be right all the time in all situations. It could lead to conflicts, it could lead to bad decisions, but still we have this very deep need within us to be right, where I feel it comes from the ego. The fifth point is gossip and complaining. When we gossip and complain all the time, there are two things which are happening. One is the feeling that we are perfect. When we keep feeling that we are perfect, we gossip and complain about others. And the second thing about gossip and complaining is expectations. When we have expectations of others, we keep gossiping and complaining about them when they do not fulfill our expectations. So friends, these quick 5 points about not worrying about the future, not living in the past, our need to please others, our need to be right. Fifth, gossip and complaining. If we start avoiding these 5 things, you see that the happiness will start staying a little longer in our life. For the rest of the 5 points, I'll come to you in my second video. If you have any comments, please leave them below in the comment section, or you can write to me at kaushik.monica@gmail.com. Happy to further discuss these things with you. Thank you so much.